10 Etiquette and Steps at Onsen. Now that you are watching this video, you're probably familiar with the Japanese word onsen, hot spring. Let's start with the 10 etiquette and steps at onsen. And I will provide an overview of Japanese hot springs, including famous resort areas at the end. Number 1, you're not allowed to wear any clothing in an onsen. Some visitors from overseas might be surprised, but this is a custom rooted in Japanese tradition and culture. Hot springs are a gift of nature in Japan, and to fully enjoy their benefits, it is common to bathe naked rather than wearing clothes. Number 2, traditionally, people with tattoos are not allowed to enter onsen. In general, at onsen facilities, individuals with tattoos may not be permitted to bathe. This is because in Japan, tattoos are sometimes considered to be associated with crime, violence, or perceived as antisocial symbols, potentially causing discomfort to other customers. Additionally, there are concerns regarding hygiene. However, some places recently advertised as tattoo-friendly have started allowing tattooed individuals to bathe. Please confirm with each facility whether they are tattoo-friendly and what conditions apply if needed. Number 3, take off your shoes. Are you familiar with the custom of removing shoes indoors in Japan? Similarly, when visiting hot springs, it's common to remove your shoes. At onsen resorts, it's typical to take off your shoes and wear slippers while moving around the facilities. Even when using day-use hot spring facilities, it's customary to first remove your shoes and put them in the shoebox at the entrance before entering the premises. This way, removing shoes is considered a polite gesture at hot springs. Number 4. In hot spring resorts, it's common to bring towels and bath towels from your room. However, in modern facilities, towels are often provided in the changing rooms, so be sure to check upon check-in. For day-use hot spring facilities, some places offer complimentary towel rental while others may charge for it. Please check in advance. Number 5. Take off your clothes at the changing room. In the changing rooms at hot springs, you'll typically find lockers. It's important to use them and always lock your locker, keeping the key with you, such as around your wrist, as you head towards the bathing area. Some places might still have traditional baskets instead of lockers in the changing rooms. In such cases, it's recommended to use coin-operated lockers for valuables. These lockers often require a 100 yen coin, which is returned to you after use, usually free of charge. In the changing rooms, you'll need to remove all your clothes and carry only a small towel with you. Small towels play an important role. They are used for washing and drying the body, as well as covering your parts as etiquette. While it's a rule to enter baths naked, a certain level of modesty is also part of Japanese culture. Number 6. Wash your body before soaking into the onsen. When entering the onsen, it's recommended to pour hot water on yourself first. This is called ka-keiyu in Japanese, and gradually acclimate your body. By pouring hot water over your body starting from your extremities, you can gradually warm up your body, which helps prevent sudden temperature shocks. Next, proceed to wash your body. Since it's a communal bath, it's proper etiquette to wash your body before entering the bath to ensure that you don't dirty the hot spring water. Number 7. Be careful not to splash those around you. Most hot spring washing areas are equipped with handheld showers. Since you'll typically use the shower while seated, be mindful not to splash water onto others around you. Number 8. Keep towels out of the water. When entering a hot spring, you must not place towels in the onsen water. This is a rule to keep the bathwater clean. When bathing, only your body should enter the water, and towels should be placed at the edge of the bath or on top of your head. Number 9. Do not swim in the bathtub. Hot springs are not pools, so swimming is not allowed. This is because it's a communal bath, and swimming could make others uncomfortable. Additionally, swimming in the bath when your blood flow is increased can pose risks such as a sudden rise in blood pressure. Number 10. Dry off with a towel before returning to the changing area. Dry yourself thoroughly in the bathing area before moving to the changing room, and be careful not to wet the changing area. Use a small towel to dry your body, wring out any water, and squeeze it again before leaving. Use a bath towel for the final touch-up. Japan is one of the world's leading hot springs nations. There are approximately 28,000 hot spring sources nationwide, with around 3,000 accommodations with onsen. Famous hot spring resorts include Noboribetsu Onsen in Hokkaido, Hakone, Izu, Tsukuba, Kusatsu, Beppu, and more. These hot spring resorts are popular among tourists. Onsen culture is ancient, existing since ancient times, and is used for health and relaxation purposes. I hope you enjoy this deeply rooted culture in Japan. See you soon again in the next hot spring episode.
Thank you for watching and see you next time. Be sure to hit subscribe and like buttons for the latest episode.